Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Kenecia. Thanks for stopping by. Also, if you're new, then please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. I'm trying to upload videos right now 2 times a week or more. So if you don't want to miss out on the video, then you do need to hit the bell alarm thing that's down there below somewhere. And yes, don't forget to subscribe. In this video today, I'm going to be talking about some new beauty products that are going to be launching probably within the next week or so. And I'm going to let you know whether I'm going to buy them or I'm just going to pass on them. So if you are interested in learning about what's coming up, or if you want to know if I'm going to buy it and try to review it on my channel, then just keep watching. I follow Trend Mood on Instagram, and I think like just about everybody does if you are like into beauty products and things like that. So she puts all of the like upcoming launches or like hot makeup and things like that on her not YouTube page, but on her Instagram page. So I follow her just to kind of stay in the loop. So if you don't follow her, you probably should follow her. But this is where I get all of my information from. The first product that I'm going to talk about is the Kathleen Lights by Colourpop Cosmetics. It is supposed to launch, she has like all the information in here too, but it's supposed to launch online at Colourpop Cosmetics on July 26th, so that is this week. Hopefully this video will be up before that moment. This is like her 4th or 5th maybe collaboration with Colourpop Cosmetics, and she always talks about them and raves about their products on her channel. I like Colourpop, so I'm kind of just trying to decide if I'm going to purchase this launch. It's called the Zodiac collection, and I'm not sure if you guys can see it. If you guys can't see it here, then I'll try to put like a little clip in or something. But it's an eyeshadow palette that's going to retail for 12 bucks. Some liquid eyeshadows, I think, and some of the Super Shock highlighters, 2 of those, and 2 luster lipsticks. And you can also, on Colourpop Cosmetics, they do allow regular people like me and you to buy the PR package if you want, or buy, you know, like that whole box thing that you see on a lot of people's YouTube channels. So you can buy that, and like I said, Colourpop is always like super affordable. I talk about them on my channel as well. So I don't know, I'm in the middle. The eyeshadow palette just doesn't look like it's gonna be something that I'm gonna like gravitate towards. I can probably review it on my channel, but I probably won't use it after that. So I don't know if I'm going to buy it. The next thing that I'm going to talk about that's launching on the 24th, which will be Tuesday of this week. Hopefully this video will be up by tonight. The next thing is the Beauty Blender Bounce Foundation. So if you are into beauty products and you use a sponge to blend your makeup, I'm going to guess that you probably use the Beauty Blender. So everybody knows who Beauty Blender is. They have the cute little sponges that are really, really good for blending in like liquid highlighters, liquid foundation, and things like that. So they have launched a foundation, or they're launching a foundation, and it is a velveteen matte finish. It has 32 shades, and it's going to retail for $40. I know that when it does launch, you can buy it on their website, or you can buy it at Sephora. The only downfall about this foundation, I can already see it now, I don't even have to review it, is the shade range. You guys, we are in 2018. Everybody and their mom is wearing makeup. Little girls are wearing makeup. Everybody's wearing makeup. Okay, so why are we not being so much more open, I guess, in as far as like creating shades for every skin tone? White people and then like brown skin people are not the only people in the world. You have people with so many different undertones. Tan people, black people, brown people, white people, you name it. Everybody has like a different undertone. Everybody has a different, you know, shade. Like 4 or 5 shades is not going to match everybody. And 28 shades of the same color is not going to match everybody. Okay? So that's the only thing that right now, like, I'm just like, ugh, like, why wouldn't they just release a, you know, a better shade range? But, you know, I'm probably gonna buy it anyway and review it on my channel because I am so excited. Aside from the shade range, I'm so excited for how the formula is gonna be, and I love my beauty blender, so I'm just hoping that this foundation is also something I'm gonna love as well. Something else that's coming is the ColourFX Power Play Concealer. I have not talked about the Power Play foundation on my channel, but I do have it and I absolutely love it. When I would go to work this past school year, I would wear that foundation. You know, school days are like 8 hours, or at least 8 hours I guess in a day, and I would wear that foundation and it would get like the tiniest bit oily by the end of the day. So it stayed on pretty well. It's a matte foundation and the colors and shades are like beyond beautiful, and they have a shade and a tone for everybody. One thing that I will say about ColourFX also is that I ordered the shade G90, I think. And no, I ordered the shade N100 first, I think, or G100 maybe. And I thought that was gonna be my shade, and I don't have a ColourFX place or Sephora near me, actually, for that matter, that I can go in and get shade match. So I ordered that shade. It got it here and it was like a little bit too dark or the wrong undertone or something, so I emailed them trying to see how I could return it, and the lady emailed me back and said, oh, you keep that and we'll send you your new one for free. So I had 2 of them, and so I was actually able to use the darker one that wasn't the right shade for me at that moment in the summertime, and then I can go back when I lighten up in the winter and do the my actual correct shade. So that's something to remember about ColourFX. This is going to retail for $30, and it's also going to have 33 fluid ounces in it. And they're going to have pink undertones, golden undertones, neutral undertones, and there's also a white concealer for people who are very light, or if you just want to mix something and lighten it up a little bit, or use it, you know, on your eyes as a primer base or something like that. You can also do that. Another thing that's coming, and it's also coming on my channel because I'm waiting on it to get here, is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette, and it is retailing for $42. I ordered mine from ABH online, but you can also get it from Ulta Beauty on the 29th, and August 5th in stores at Ulta Beauty, August 7th online at Sephora, Macy's and Dillard's, Nordstrom, and all those places, and then it will launch everywhere else in the US August 17th, and then August 18th it will launch internationally. I can't talk today. But this palette is like a pink and purple based palette. It's got some clear shades, some matte shades, and I was a huge fan of the Modern Renaissance palette. I actually bought that palette 2 times, I believe. So I'm really having high hopes for this palette as well. And it's just a softer mix of, you know, like some shades or whatever, some shades that I don't own. So I'm kind of hoping that, you know, I'm going to be pleased with that. Another thing that is launching here soon, I think August 16th online at Ulta Beauty and the NYX Cosmetics website, is the highly anticipated NYX Cosmetics Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation. This is a foundation that had been out previously, but NYX Cosmetics partnered up with the YouTuber Alissa. I love her. She's so beautiful. But they collaborated with her, and she created so many more different shades, lighter and darker shades, to extend the shade range because the shade range wasn't popping before. But I heard this was full coverage, and I heard that it was a super matte foundation. And NYX Cosmetics is it's like Colourpop. It's super affordable, so I'm gonna grab that for sure. And then when I do grab it, I will review it on my channel as well. So make sure you stay in the loop for that. Something else that has launched already, but it's like just launched, is the Ofra Cosmetics highlighter palette. It's got all of their highlighters, or their most popular highlighters, in one palette, and I think it retails for $49. It's 4 highlighters. There's a Beverly Hills Full Size, Star Island Mini, Rodeo Drive Mini, and Blissful Mini. And I've heard like a lot of good things about Ofra's highlighters, but I don't own one. I don't know why I haven't bought it yet, and I'm still probably not going to buy it. It just doesn't, I guess, appeal to me that bad for me to think, you know, like I have to go out and get this. But if you're an Ofra Cosmetics fan, then yeah, I'm just letting you know that that is available. Trendmood also has a 30% off discount that you can use on the Ofra Cosmetics website, and all you do is type in Trendmood to get your 30% off. So you have 30% off of the $49, which I'm not going to do the math right now, but it's going to save you some money. So if you are interested in the Ofra Cosmetics highlighter palette, that they're just launching, then make sure you check that out as well. One of the last things that I'm going to talk about is the Becca Ultimate Coverage Longwear Concealer, a complement to the Ultimate Coverage Foundation that they launched. I do have that foundation somewhere. Actually, I'm wearing it today. I actually do need to go get a different shade because I just don't think this one is popping for me like it needs to be popping. It is super full coverage. This is just one little dot and it did my entire face. It stays matte pretty much all day. And so I'm guessing that the Ultimate Coverage Longwear Concealer is going to be super full coverage for like those dark circles or those lines or anything like that under your eyes. I think they have 16 shades and they retail for $29 each. I know they're available at Ulta right now, Sephora, BECCA'S website, and Beautyish. Now if you go on to Beautyish, you can, I think once you get to $50 in your cart, it will allow you to pay for it, like break it down into payments, and you can pay for it monthly or you can just pay for it all together. I'm not sure, you know, completely about that because I've never used that kind of pay system, but I do know that you can do that and a lot of people do it. I haven't heard too much about this concealer. I don't know. I'm kind of on the fence, like in the middle 50-50 with buying this concealer. I just don't know if I actually need the concealer. And I don't know if I actually want something like super full coverage under my eye because I tend to have drier under eyes, and when I put on something like my Chart Shape Tape, if I don't moisturize or anything, like it would look so cakey and dry under there. But anyway guys, yeah, that wraps up this video, and I'm super excited to try some of these products. And some of these products, like, I'm not gonna spend my money on these, and because I already know it's not going to work for me or I'm not going to like it. But if there are some things that you have seen that I didn't talk about today that's coming and you want me to review on my channel, then yeah, leave a comment down below. Also guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's very much so appreciated. And yeah, until next time, see you later.